today we are working on getting the rotten wood torn up from where we were pulling the wooden boards up earlier, and we're going to cut up some of the other boards that we already pulled from the kitchen, get them condensed down so we can throw them in the trash, and get the windows uncovered if possible. So that's our plan for the day.
Someday you hear the bird, and someday you hear the statue.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go take this and toss it out there. So we get bounced off the floor?
It did.
This is getting bad because this is like the second crowbar I've lost.
You just had it earlier, Mom.
Well, we had it yesterday. I only had it.
Hey, Mom!
What?
I think your electrician's here.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Well, you guys pick the building, don't you?
Yeah. Sorry, stuff's already.
Well, that's all right.
As we've said before on the termite damage, this is extreme wood rot and termite damage. The wood just crumbles. It's kind of got a musky smell to it. It smells almost like mulch. So there's no integrity even left in this.
This one's still attached. Was.
Is that a bug? What was that?
I just rained sawdust or stuff all over me.
Good job, Mom. Here, watch. Watch.
Yeah.
Okay, they're not. Please don't let me. Yeah.
Got stuff in my ear.
Maybe you chop down some of the trees in my property.
Or you want to cut it like right in half?
Just right in the middle.
Okay. So it has the safety on it,
Yeah.
which is right here. Okay. You have to push this little lever, okay, while you pull the trigger.
So it's kind of like a weed whacker.
Kind of.
But
Yeah. You
for
have to have this depressed while you pull the trigger. So
Okay.
and this keeping this out of the way is just easier. I mean, it's not required if you can't do that at the same time, but
So like this.
back it off a little bit so that when it starts, it's not on the board.
Whatever.
Stuff flies. That's why you want these on.
I know, but I didn't expect to hit my face like that. I'm nervous about working machinery. No, I don't know what to do. Help me.
It got bound up because of that board. That board, it sank down so the board's pinched it on both sides of the blade.
So what do you do when that happens?
Just lift the board up.
Just wiggle out?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, we learned something, guys!
got this little section here. Where the heck did I put my crowbar? There it is.
I have to use the restroom.
You can walk down the street.
Will you drive me to the gas station? Please.
Just walk down there and I'll try to have this done by the time you
No,
get
just
back.
drive me there, it's important. Please, I really have to poop. Wait. Oh, turn that camera off. Wait, leave that out, please.
Well, I'll leave that in.
No. Yes, bathroom breaks.
Voiceover, and at this point, she really has to move.
Thanks, Mom. That's just what I wanted. There's a book.
There was a book behind the wall?
Yes. What kind of book?
That might actually be It's still in good shape. The
Found
letter
the
E.
lost switch. The letter in the page.
There's a letter E.
E for elaborate.
I don't know what it was doing behind the wall.
Someone forgot to.
Probably. You'd think they'd notice that, but
It's not. I can't carry this. It's too heavy.
you break it in half. Break it anyways.
Ow.
Leave without breaking yourself.
I hurt.
I think I just lean it against the wall and hit it with a hammer, but whatever works. Okay, I'm going to take you guys for a little tour around what we've done, which you guys saw most of what we were doing. Here's all this. We found a book inside the shelves. It was a little children's book. We have our dumpster pretty much full outside.
As full as we can get anywhere.
As full as we can get it, yeah. Alright, then the other thing, we just have this here left to finish, this area here. Alright, we got this window done, so it lets some more light in, another metal panel that I'm not going to bother removing. And that's our tree friend Larry. He needs to go away.
But Larry!
Then in our deep dark hole here, we got this window done. So, it has its plastic cover on it now. So it's not quite as dark in here. You can actually see. So we got those two windows done and we got the floor done. And here's our lovely, lovely pile of wood. It just keeps getting bigger.
The goal is to get it as tall as my
And then, whoops, we got most of the debris wood out of here, but we still gotta take the floor out and that other cabinet. So, let's see, the electrician came by today. Let's see here. There we go. We need a brighter, there it goes. Oh, that was a little too bright. Okay, so the electrician came by today.
Look, you have two hands.
I got to get him the electrical and plumbing plans, and then he's going to get us a proposal on that.
Progress.
And yes, progress. So I think that's it for today. We're gonna go home. Yeah, see y'all later.